My name is Fernando. I am Abaris Training in Latin America. I graduated as an aeronautical engineer in 1989 by Instituto Tecnológico de Aeronáutica. I'm running Abaris Latin America since 10 years ago. On top of aeronautical graduation, I went through postgraduate studies at University of Brasilia on composite materials. I'm an instructor in Brazil for Abaris, and we are capable to provide training in Spanish, Portuguese, or English if it's necessary. Well, the best thing about training for Abaris has been the opportunity to provide theory with appropriate hands-on, and I'm sure that the hands-on part of the training is something that the students really like. And also the ambient, the relationship with Abaris has been so good, so great over the years, and it has been a pleasure to work for Abaris as well. My favorite process is aviation for sure, since I am an aeronautical engineer. And I'm sure I like the aviation process since they need to be very precise. We have standards to comply with. So I like to work, with some adhesion to those requirements. My colleagues as of today are Gabriel, Sergio, Marcelo, and João, and we are a small crew, and we have a very strong and personal day-by-day relationship, and we talk, and sometimes we have some arguments about soccer. That's what you call football. But since soccer for us is so important, and this is the funny part of the day when we sit together during lunchtime, and we have a nice conversation about soccer. This is the Abaris Training Brazil atmosphere. The growth opportunity for students are raised, as a consequence of Abaris Training. We can raise the technical level so they can apply for interesting jobs, including out of Brazil, like get a license at the FAA, get a license with EASA, the Aeronautical Authority in Europe. And we set the standard. We set the standard of composites training. We set the standards of composite repair, production, manufacturing. So after our training, the students they will reach a better level of quality technical information. The very first milestone, of course, was our very first training in Brazil back 10 years ago. So the very first week, I was really excited about the training, and we had students from Argentina, from Aerolíneas Argentinas in Austral. So and it did go through, of course, with some problems that we could solve, but was the very first milestone. Together with Abaris, and we decided that those professionals would be trained by us in Brazil. I'm very proud of that as well.